And so many times we cut ourselves short because it does bring value. So here's a list of top homemade items. We got bath bombs and soaps, t-shirts and printed merchandise. How many people do print on demand? Jewelry, gifted subscription boxes, candles, sweets, arts and prints, digital products, enamel pins, handcrafted, traditional lip balm, cosmetics. Cosmetics are considered homemade. Okay, pet supplies, photography, and woodworking projects. Those are just 16 of the ones that are saying on homemade, okay? So where do you think you find homemade items for sale? Go ahead and put that in the chat. Any ideas where you find homemade? You click on the chat box if you haven't been here, if you kind of put it on the chat box and do in the bottom that says everyone. Jan says farmers market. Okay, you can do farmers. Good job. Etsy. Okay. Etsy is, you cannot sell on Etsy unless it's handmade. You would get kicked off if you're a reseller of something that you bought on retail. So Etsy is all homemade, okay? So yes, eBay, farmers market. So let me tell you some other things. Etsy, for sure. Did you know Amazon KDP is handmade? You're hand creating it and you're creating it and designing it. Did you know print on demand is considered handmade? Quality products. Did you know people sell products on TikTok? There's Cratejoy, Zibbit, Folksy, Hyena Cart, iCraft, so many places to sell. Also, Pinterest. Pinterest is #1 selling platform in high volume when really it's just a sharing platform, but it's selling products. Big brands are going to Pinterest. So I say a lot to my clients, if you want some help and you want to make more sales and increase your traffic to Amazon, you're going to be a Pinterest fan by the time you're done with me. Oh, and I work with a lot of men and they going, I don't want Pinterest. My friends will make fun of me. Well, then you don't want to increase your sales because Pinterest is definitely a place to increase your sales. Okay. And then you have Facebook Marketplace versus Facebook Shop. Facebook Marketplace, it sells handmade, and Instagram. Lots of social media places. And so I hope at the end of this workshop that you could be excited to move forward with making unique items and not only think narrowly for Amazon, and especially since you're in my community, only bundles. So that's my hope, okay? So you sell products at a higher price point and profit margin when you have unique items handmade. You beat your competition to that buyer by adding extra value because it's unique. It's not everybody else is going to go run and jump and get the Nike logo product every time, okay?